wrench right there on top of that. It took me, I don't know, an hour maybe.
I had one on my dart.
Yeah.
There's a guy on A-Box only that was selling with that.
You used to be able to pick those up in Carlisle.
As soon as we get this hood off, we can tell.
But yeah, I used to buy those foot caps at the swap meets in Carlisle for $5, $10.
Yeah, where we going?
Right where Austin is, pretty much.
Move. We want to be able to lift that motor up and out of there. Slide over, push them portable right back in again. Look, crank it over that far.
To drop it in your truck. I told Tony I'll just bring it to him another time because that's fine. And he called me last night and he says that motor, we're gonna need a home.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because he said it got water in it or something too.
Yeah, actually, I did notice that yesterday when I pulled the head off of it. Yeah, I covered it up good because I figured out it was going to lay there until he needed it. If it threw it away or whatever, I want to make sure it wasn't full of leaves or anything. Next time I pulled it up. But yeah, I do remember that it was a little brown.
Is it recording?
Yeah. Hey everybody, hey, we're getting John's truck here, getting ready to take the motor out of it. We're gonna go over to Uncle Tony's, pick up another motor, and then come back and put it in this truck so he can continue about his journey. But he broke this down pretty far yesterday afternoon, so we're just gonna got a couple more bolts to pull out, and then we'll get it out of there. We'll go goof on Tony.
There it is, the busted leaning tower of power.
That's right.
That one's cooked. That one's cooked.
And you showed yesterday the damage to the engine.
Yeah. I've tore some stuff up pretty good in the past, but I've never done that.
That had to be making a hell of a lot.
Did you say super or stupid?
Yeah. Yeah.
You gotta lift with your back and twisting.
Yeah. And the other thing
That's how you get this.
That's a good one.
We're putting this motor in a truck that you're gonna drive to Dallas.
That's the plan.
Pallbearer is what we are.
Right.
This is what I was gonna do when my sister died.
just the orange strap.
No.
Wait.
Oh, I see. I have a sister like that too. A couple of
She's a bigot.
You can't be laughing like that when you take roll it.
Yeah.
Look at the size of that mosquito.
Okay, what's it need?
I'm gonna show you.
Okay.
Maybe have one after I just start this thing.
Okay.
It's not going to push forward. I've got it where it pushes
Oh, okay.
towards the tailgate.
Yeah.
As long as you keep rolling, all
Take a
four
hose,
wheels.
come clean this up.
I mean, it's gonna have to.
Yeah.
Same with this. It'll clean it up.
Yeah.
It'll clean it up.
Like I keep telling everybody, my standards are low.
No, listen, this will be fine, but
Good.
don't use a dingleberry on it.
Yeah,
Whatever you do, don't use a dingleberry because it's longer enough like this.
Okay.
You gotta use a thick stone hole.
You guys got a stone hose?
I have one.
Okay, because I was going to say, I have to, I'll buy one.
About everything.
I'll bring one. Start soaking this thing down, right? And knock these pistons down. They're just about, I don't know, they're probably about 20 degrees off possible bottom dead center, right? Just get them down, knock them down, and then get a stone in there.
Yeah.
Don't knock them down like your old one, though. All right. So I'm gonna meet you guys up at. You're always filming. You're like the government. I feel like I'm always filming.
Seagulls are eating me.
Yeah, yeah. That's buff pan and yeah.
All right, so I gotta drop some slicks over at the fireplace, and then I'll meet you guys at your place.
We'll be there.
Make a big mess, though. You got a pilot bushing in this?
I haven't looked. I should have while I was in the wood.
Nope. You got a big pilot bushing in it. All right, where is he? Is he in the office?
Yeah, he's in the office.
You're having a man feelings, huh?
Why he thinks my boy's sexy, so.
We're not smoking on camera, right?
No.
You can, I don't know. She yells at me when I smoke.
Everybody thinks
What the
he's-
fuck are you doing?
Everybody thinks he's rolling.
You're part of this. Get back here.
Is it really?
So
Get up close
I'm
onto
so
the
unfamiliar with the 81 and newer stuff. I thought it had a completely different base, but it's the same base.
Yeah,
Just
awesome.
they use this for the crow's foot, so just
Yeah.
swap that piece over.
You want
and
this
you're good to
back?
go.
Because if not, it'll go
Yeah.
on my jalopy.
No, yeah, I definitely want it back.
Okay, let's get that off right now. I'm
You don't
gathering.
think everything now.
Wait a second.
Okay, just leave it like that.
I'll come back and grab it.
Yes.
Because you need to. Whatever odds and ends.
Yeah, I'm building a.
Get a
building
shot of that
a-
front
I've got a
license
bunch
plate,
of
too,
25
so you
dot
know
sheet
it's
metal and bits and pieces and stuff. And like you, I'm always curious about the 170 because I've been told a ton of times that those things will just.
It's got to be in a light car.
Yeah, but that's the thing. If I keep it at 716, if it's basically just a T bucket.
Oh yeah. It'd be
Yeah,
perfect.
and so 7 1/4 rear end and a 3-speed. I'm not even gonna put a 4-speed in it, and yeah, we'll just play around and have fun. So, and
All right. I gotta go.
carry on, brother.
Yes. Good luck, guys.
Yeah, maybe on my way back from Texas, I'll stop in and just say hi.
Hey, come around. I'll
Yeah, no, I'm saying.
Sunday won't be in town at all. I'll be psyched and I won't be back till Sunday night.
Yeah, excellent.
All right, guys. I'll see you later.
Thanks again, brother.
See ya.
Hey, one of our customers, Gary Notley, that owns the 72 Challenger, called me yesterday and said, how many guys are at your shop? And I told him, he said, I'm going to bring you lunch. Okay, so he just showed up with this. This is like the Mandingo spread from Famous Dave's Barbecue. There's ribs and pulled pork and chicken, and there's probably some brisket over there, and French fries and coleslaw and beans and cornbread.
I'm gonna be some bones there in a minute.
Gonna be but we appreciate that. Thank you, Gary.
I'm looking for put Austin on camera.
Yeah,
Very happy young man right now.
yeah, because he's getting food.
Yeah.
That is
Really?
I'm
Just
not
'cause
used
they're-
to eating
Eat
bread.
it.
Just because there's a whole bunch of them doesn't mean. Yeah, 30-second
Eat it,
roll.
man.
Get it off the floor.
I'm just kidding. I'll eat it if you don't want
I
it.
had braces forever, so I couldn't eat ribs off the bone, so I'm not used to it.
Okay.
Got you.
Well, corn on the cob too. You can't,
Practice makes perfect.
and you can't do meth because you lose your teeth, and then you can't eat corn on the cob. And corn on the cob is good.
So did you hear that, kids? Don't do meth, because then you can't eat corn.
That's right.
Pop Willie's, not pills.
They have the opposite
You
message.
say
I seen that bumper.
Willies or Woody?
Wheelies.
Wheelies.
Oh, okay.
We're from the
Hey.
south.
All right, cool. I'm gonna eat.
We're putting the pilot bushing in. That's what the input shaft of the transmission rides in. And this engine had an automatic transmission, so it didn't have a bushing for the manual transmission input shaft. So you got to put that in. And we just took the old one out of the old engine. And they just press in.
Grab that light for you.
Like so.
Get it?
There it is in all its glory. So, and that makes it's a softer metal than the crankshaft, and so the input shaft of the transmission is located in there and keeps it centered, and that bushing is, it's a little slipperier than the steel of the crank, so it just makes it wear better.
Yep.
Runs quieter.
But to get that old one out, we did the old grease and a dowel
Yeah.
or
where's
some.
that shaft?
I'll put it back over.
Yeah.
I'll show you the piece we used.
It works good.
So if you follow the channel, you've seen the 37 front end build that I did, and this was part of the steering shaft that I made up on it, and it's perfect. Fit in there, just pack it full of grease, and then drive this in, and as this goes in, it's going to push the grease is going to slide the bushing out.
It works awesome. It's just hydraulic pressure.
Yeah.
But yeah, the engine we're putting in came out of a car with an automatic, so we had to put the flywheel on and the pilot bushing, and now the oil pan from a truck, the sump is in the rear, and on a car it's in the middle. So we have to take that oil pan off, put the oil pan that was on here on it, and then also change the oil pickup. So that we're doing that. As soon as I'm done with that, then we'll get to getting ready to put the head on it. And hopefully we'll have a motor put together here before long. So it may not be a good one.
This
but
guy
it's
knows
gonna
his
be
way. Oh yeah, he knows his way around these motors, and this is his truck, and so I'm just kind of giving him a hand when he needs it, but I'm gonna let him do it. I don't want to be responsible for him breaking down in the next state.
I understand.
No, really, whatever he needs, I'm here to help him. So he's got it under control, though. You can tell he's done it a few times. So
You've done a lot of this sort of thing. Where do you guys put your waste oil?
those barrels.
Oh yeah, right.
I had to clean it up first.
Cool, thanks, man. Gotta take all the brackets off the old engine and put it on the new one. So I can, this is for the alternator. So I mount the alternator on this one. Maybe. But it's in pretty good shape. I think this marking be on it. I suspect it's the wisest thing for me to do is see if we can buy an actual gas station somewhere.
Yeah, we can get some. We can get a couple delivered real quick.
Okay. I would take a whole, if I can get a whole, yeah, a whole, everything but a, I mean, if all I could get was a whole engine set with a head gas and all, I'd take that too. But I've got a head gasket from Tony, but yeah, if I could get a whole set, what I don't use, I'll take home.
Just in case, I'll make sure.
Yeah.
Let me run in there real quick and tell them to go ahead and get that on the way.
Yeah, I guess it is Friday afternoon.
I don't know how long they'll be. You know,
Right.
they might. Sometimes they're here 5 minutes. Sometimes it takes them 2 hours.
And it was nice last night in the hotel. Finally, it's nice in the hotel last night, getting a whole full night's. Yeah, just get the whole thing. Yeah, and it's an earlier one. So tell them it's a 75, 225 slant 6.
I mean, I'm going to send the wrong pot anyway.
I hope not. I hope not. But
Oh, it happens every time.
yeah. Well, those guys are human too. Well, I don't know. It's here somewhere.
Anyway, I'm going to stop these for you.